In this video, we'll see one of the common things that could happen when you start a Bocad and you get the message of access is denied. So what to do about this? We have to go to the Windows settings, to the firewall, and we will have to put an exception there in the exclusions. So Microsoft Defender is basically blocking some of the applications, and we'll add an exclusion, just a folder. Here I will just take the whole Bocad folder and we'll add this as an exclusion. Start the software up again. And everything works fine. That's all.